Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can connect Quickswap to TrustWallet. It's pretty simple. Now what you want to do is click on browse at the bottom right of your screen after you open TrustWallet. Now from inside browse over here at the top, you want to search for Quickswap. Click on it and write Quickswap swap. Search for it, it's going to show you quickswap.com. Once you search for it, it's going to show you quickswap.exchange. Click on Quickswap and it'll take you to the official website of Quickswap. Now once you're in its official website, what you want to do is connect your Trust Wallet. To connect your Trust Wallet, you can click and connect at the top right corner. And then from all this option, you want to choose Trust Wallet. Once you choose Trust Wallet, it's going to show you this. Now from over here, click and connect at the bottom. Once you do that, your Trust Wallet will start to connect. Once it finishes connecting, you want to click and connect again at the bottom, and your Trust Wallet will be connected with Quickswap. It's that simple to connect your Trust Wallet. As you guys can see, my wallet has been connected. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to connect Trust Wallet to Quickswap, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.